Kayla is having fun here. Hi, Kayla. 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 Aba. Aba. Where are we going, Mikay? We're waiting for Mommy. We're at... Where are we, Kay? Circus, circus! Say hello. Hello. Hello, hello. Wanna see Zoltar? Yeah? Zoltar. There's Zoltar. Zoltar. There's Circus Circus. There's Mommy.
No, I lost $20. I don't wanna play that again. Sayang.
Let's go now. Let's go outside. Let's explore Reno.
Nananalo na kaya ako nung
Oh, what happened?
kumuha sila ng pera.
Yeah. Pag naano ka na, kunin mo na.
So,
Ito
umpisa
yung...
na. Go there.
So,
You're in Michaela.
Cinco de Mayo. Where are we going? Where are you going? Where are you going, Kayla?
We're going bye-bye.
Yes, yes. Dito tayo kumain. Dito kami kumain kanina. This is Flavors Buffet. Ay, jing.
Kayla.
Ganun ka na? Aside ka?
Ang liwanag ng video nito, Bear.
There we go.
Explore the secrets of the mansion and Silver Legacy. The mansion is free to play and awaits you with all new prizes. Over $1 million in prizes have already been awarded. Play up to 4 times a day, every day, and win every time. Unlock the Baron Vault, and you'll win the big jackpot. Visit the Star Reward Center for more information.
Happy baby ka na naman. Pretty girl ka, okay?
Of course. We're gonna win that tonight.
Ngayon ba yan? Be? Paano tayo mananalo? Di mo tayo kasali. Yung ano?
So solid sa Walmart? Yung
Ano?
stasat
Tinapay?
na, oh.
Hindi. Are we still gonna pagkain yan, be?
Bakit? $2 lang. Eh, hindi naman natin kakainin.
Ano? Hindi sa bahay, wait. Eh, di dali mo na. Try mo. Malay mo tanggap.
Aba,
Sa'yo ni Mickey. You're happy baby girl.
we're going to our hotel. Okay? You go to your hotel? Sige. Asa yung dimples mo? Asa yung dimples mo, baby?
Ang arte niya.
Uy, papaulan ka na naman, ha? Yan, nag-ano na siya, nagtititing na siya. Sis,
What you saying, baby girl? Say.
Wait for me here, okay?
Okay. Kayla.
Haba na yan, ha? Yung video. Pati na ma-upload yun.